What's up everybody, MikeyP here. Today we're going to be working on this one-of-a-kind downhill derby race car, turning it into the infamous Tiffany Jewelry box. We'll be creating a custom bow decal on the top, bow lines, stripes down the whole sides, and finally we will be adding the custom lettering on the side as well. So this should be a fun, interesting project. I'm going to take you guys step by step from the design work all the way down to the install, and we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. So before we even get started, first part of the process, take some measurements. The next step is to take the design work here, and we're just gonna set it up for the right sizing. So right now we just created all the design work. Everything is being set up right now. The machine is cutting out all our designs. Next step, to weave out all the materials. Alright, so we got our surface all cleaned and prepped, ready to go. We got the middle part, the bow, which is the main part of the design here, right centered in the middle, taped off in the middle. Now we're going to peel off the excess and apply the sticker. There we go. Alright, now that we got the bow on top in place, we're going to proceed to put on the sides of the bows to wrap the entire part in there. So you can see here we got the little pockets, so we're just heating it up and letting it go all the way down. Alright, now for the finishing touches, we're going to apply the customer's information on the side right here. So we already got it centered even from the ground up here. So now we're going to take half of it off. Well, there you have it, guys, the final product here. The Tiffany inspired derby car is all set and ready to go. Turned out real awesome. Customers coming by later today to pick it up. Hopefully they love it. And thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments what you thought. Thank you very much. Bye.